You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
You made a little surprise for me, so I have my spice jar, but we have a little surprise for you, Debbie. You have been so wonderful and magical on our show for so many years. How many years now? 8 years. And you have been not only a staple show, but today we have a special guest to honor you as being a successful businesswoman in San Diego. So I want to bring in a friend, Assemblywoman Tasha Boerner, to talk about what you have for our good friend Debbie. What has she done that has made the city so special?
Well, I think Debbie brings a certain San Diego special culinary excellence, and as well as serving all of our communities. I actually met her in, it must have been 2017, 2018, when I was on the Encinitas City Council, and she made a special Encinitas spice blend, which I personally request to this day. I've given it to dignitaries in Japan. I give it out to my team. We always have it at home, and it's just one of the best things. I love cooking and bringing easy, accessible spices that taste good to average everyday people to have healthy food at home is really important. So she's my woman-owned small business of the year this year, Debbie. Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations. I'm like, can we get everyone to clap? We've got some people back here. There we go.
Kitchen this is gonna go in. It's giant and it's fancy.
Oh,
so yeah.
Debbie.
Thank you so much. I am so deeply honored. It was completely unexpected. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's good to know that women, small businesses, to be able to be recognized is really meaningful, because day in and day out, we're just, slugging away.
And to be a mom and to cultivate something that you really love and make a small business while you're busy. I mean, you've been in our Fox 5 kitchen with an apron on, kind of showing off some of the recipes that you love. And then I think through all of that, you cultivated what you're really good at, which is creating the spices and teaching people how to cook with what they have at home and affordably for people just like you and I that are doing it every day.
It comes from a place of wanting to help people and making people feel confident in the kitchen, honestly, that they can go home and be able to make something incredibly special for their family and show love through food, which is what I'm all about.
Yep. Hey, everybody's got to eat, all right? You guys, congratulations. Thank you so much for being on our show. Thank you so much, Tasha, for coming and honoring our dear friend Debbie here. Fox5sandiego.com. If you want any of these spices or you want to learn how to make your spice blend, Debbie's here to help you out. We'll be back right after a short break.